Good morning, children. Hope all of you are taking proper care of your health. I am your Swarupa ma'am. I welcome you in EVS class for Standard 4. Today, I will teach you Chapter 10. Where do animals live? This is the first video of this chapter. Animals are found everywhere on the earth. We need house to stay. Like us, animals also need shelter for living. Animals need a shelter to sleep and rest, protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, and enemies, to lay eggs and nurture their young ones. Different animals live in different places in the environment. For example, on the surface of the land, underground, on the trees, both on land and in water. Some are totally inside the water. So, animals need different kinds of shelter according to their need. Animals have two types of shelters: natural shelters and man-made shelters. Most of the animals live in natural shelters, means which are naturally exist in the environment, like burrow, tunnels, trees, anthill, beehive, caves. Wild animals like lions, bears, and tigers live in caves in the forest. Caves give these animals protection from the sun, wind, rain, and cold. Some animals dig underground shelters. These shelters are called burrows. Example: rabbits, mice, and mongooses. Moles live in underground tunnels. Some animals are active at night in search of food. They are called nocturnal animals. They stay in burrows during the day and come out from their burrows at night in search of food. Example: owl, guinea pig. Ants make their shelter with hard mud called anthill. The worker ants are responsible for building the shelter and repairing it if damaged. Anthill has many chambers which are interconnected. Different chambers serve different purposes, like storing food or caring for baby ants. Trees and plants are important shelter for many animals. The animals Those live in trees are called arboreal animals. Examples: monkeys, chimpanzees, and baboons. They swing from one branch to another in search of food. Small animals also live in trees and plants. Examples: different types of insects and pests, garden lizards, and squirrels. Bees live in hives mainly built on trees. There are cells in the hives. These cells are called honeycomb. Bees store honey in the honeycombs. Most of the birds make shelter on the trees. They make different types of nest on trees using different materials, and they lay eggs in the nest. Birds do very hard work for making their nests. Due to deforestation, many animals become homeless. We must not cut trees as they are the homes of many animals. Spiders spin webs very nicely. Their webs are made up of a type of silk produced from their own body fluids. The silk that spiders produce are used for building webs, catching prey, storing food, escaping from danger, making egg sacs, sending and receiving signals as vibrations. Some tiny animals like mites and flies take shelter in the feather or fur of birds and animals. All the water bodies like ocean, sea, pond, lake are the home of large number of animals and plants. Maybe they are very small like bacteria and algae, or maybe they are very large animals like whale, shark. Different types of fish live in water. They make their homes in corals or in underwater plants. Water animals like starfish, octopuses, crabs, seahorses, worms, and turtles take shelter among the marine rocks. Walruses spend their entire life in the cold sea water of the polar region. They come out of the water to give birth of young ones. There are some caves also under the sea or ocean. Sea animals like eels take shelter in these caves. Huge aquatic animals like whales and shark live in the water. Now I will explain man-made shelters. Man-made shelters are provided by us. Generally, domestic animals are kept in man-made shelters. These animals help us in many ways and we provide them food, water and shelter also. Dogs are kept in kennels. Goats and sheep are kept in pens. Man-made homes for horses are stables. Pigs live with their babies in a sty. Cows stay at shade. Hens and cocks live in coops. You have learned different types of animal shelter. Hope you have understood the chapter. Take care. Bye all of you.